Hi, in this video I'm gonna compare this two-car booster. So first, we have the DB Power Booster 16 amps and we're gonna compare it with this is the NOCO G40 1000 amps booster. So first let's very quickly check what we got in the box and then I'm gonna talk about the similarities and the difference between the two. So when you open the box, both, of course, come with the instruction so both come with the cigarette lighter charger. So that's great because they could be charged while you're driving. No. The DB Power also has the wall charger. However, the NOCO Booster comes with the USB wire instead, and additionally DB Power Booster comes with this extra outlets or accessory, so you can potentially charge it in more ways than of course we get the boosters themselves. No, they both look good. Actually, obviously they design different way and they also have pretty similar weight as well. They definitely both well built and tough and sturdy for sure. Now technically the NOCO Booster is slightly smaller and the DB Power Booster seems to be slightly bigger, however, slightly more thin. The NOCO Booster comes with this little carry-on pouch. Actually, the DB Power Booster does a little bit better because it comes with this really nice to see me hard case for it. And of course you have the battery clamps that attach to the boosters and they both have really good grip. Now as far as the ports go, on the NOCO Booster you just have one charging port and then you have one USB outlet so you can charge your other devices, but the DB Power Booster actually have two USB outlet ports, so basically one extra plus this other different output to charge other devices. So that's little bit better. Also one thing to note, of course, that they both can boost the 12-volt battery. However, the DB Power can also boost 16 and 20 volts. Battery in the NOCO Booster doesn't have that option because it's just limited to 12. Of course, both of them have the power button. They additionally have this light, so the DB Power Booster has this one little wide light on the side and you can make it steady or flash slower or faster. Plus it has this kind of red triangle shaped light on top, so that's gonna be great to warn other drivers. And as far as the NOCO Booster goes, it actually has two wide lights and you can set them up few more ways. Of course you can make them steady and lower it and make them blink slower or faster, or kind of make them rotation light is gonna blink and the other shut off. And as far as the lights itself go, I'm not sure which set is better. Now I tried using them both and my car battery was dead, so first started my car with the DB Power Booster going to my car. I know my battery is dead, but let's see dead now. Let's go outside and boost it up. We put the power on, make sure that is on 12 volts and the car started immediately, zero problems whatsoever. Then I actually drained the battery to completely zero, totally dead. Okay, now let me start and did the same thing with the NOCO Booster and same results. The car started immediately. So as far as starting the car goes, they both do incredible job. Also, one more little difference is the display itself. So on the NOCO Booster you can see the charge level right on top of the light switch. I think is actually very clear, and on the DB Power Booster is this kind of digital display bit that doesn't necessarily really make it any better except for the time that you need to change the voltage, because obviously you have to see what voltage you're changing. Both boosters, by the way, come with safety feature so you have overheat protection. You also have the short circuit protection, so boosting the car is super easy with this boosters obviously, but there is this built protection just in case if you're doing something wrong. And the DB Power Booster is designed to start gas engines 7.2 liters and the diesel engines up to 5.5 liters. No, the NOCO Booster supposed to start 6-liter gas engines and 3-liter diesel engine. So no matter which booster you will pick, they both great. They will definitely start the car actually multiple times on the same charge. So I know the NOCO Booster is a really good booster, however, because the DB Power Booster has actually more accessories and also comes with this nice carrying case and for lower price. And for me, at least for these reasons, the DB Power Booster makes it an awesome buy.